Hello, everyone.
The world never ceases to amaze us. If you're someone who loves raw, unbelievable footage, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you, and may blessings come your way. In a split second, a driver escaped his vehicle just before it was struck by an oncoming train. But thankfully, no injuries were reported. A suspected missile strike by Israel targeted a high-rise building in Palestine, an alarming incident that took place in broad daylight within a densely populated area. A wildfire in the Hughes region forced evacuations as local authorities scrambled to protect residential zones. A steel beam collapsed at a construction site for an elevated road in central Bangkok, crashing down onto a busy roadway below. During a thunderstorm in Queensland, a lightning bolt struck a utility pole just meters away from a car waiting at a red light.
Oh, well, boom, power's gone.
A refinery fire turned the sky pitch black, prompting authorities to issue an emergency alert due to the hazardous smoke. A powerful flash flood in Connecticut uprooted soil and swept away a home located near the water's path. The collapse happened so quickly that no one could react in time. A massive wave suddenly crashed onto Avenue Beach, stunning everyone nearby. It wasn't a scene from a movie, it was a real moment caught on camera. An avalanche roared down the mountainside with uncontrollable force, a powerful reminder of nature's raw intensity. A close-up look at the erupting Sundanukur volcano. A sudden crack appeared on the Pansan Highway, quickly causing the entire road section to collapse. A stark reminder of how fragile even the most solid structures can be. large explosion erupted near South London Station, shaking the area as thick black smoke quickly filled the sky overhead. An Amtrak train collided with a vehicle stuck on the tracks, but thankfully the driver escaped just in time. Firefighters were nearly engulfed in a fireball when an explosion occurred at a Melbourne factory. A severe attack destroyed 20 structures in the Jinan refugee camp, plunging the area into chaos. The question now is, will peace ever return? Strong winds suddenly struck Mumbai, causing a massive billboard to collapse onto a gas station. We hope everyone nearby remains safe. Flash floods struck a residential area, submerging homes and streets in powerful, raging waters. This is exactly why flights are delayed until a storm passes, safety above all when the skies turn violent. Moment. In just moments, the tall building crumbled into rubble, accompanied by the sudden screams of shocked bystanders. Even a sturdy bridge couldn't withstand the overwhelming force of nature.
Dios mío, qué dolor me da. Ay, no, eso me duele. Ay, Dios mío.
It was insane. Snow fell so heavily it covered every street and vehicle, turning the city into a full-blown blizzard scene. Rising floodwaters in Tennessee dislodged an entire dock, sending it drifting downriver, where it collided with a downstream bridge.
Hey, I better stay back, probably. Holy shit.
A beachfront home in North Carolina was swept away by floodwaters during a severe coastal inundation. Two deer were caught in an intense fight over territory in the snowy forest, leaving onlookers both amazed and captivated. A lake froze over during an unexpected cold snap in Grand Marais, creating an eerie yet mesmerizing scene. A shimmering ice ocean glistened under the sunlight, creating a breathtaking and surreal landscape. Floodwaters turned the entire neighborhood into a river, leaving residents worried as the water continued to rise.
I couldn't.